Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check your PC for viruses, and I will be using Windows 10, however all older versions also work similar way. To check for viruses on Windows 10, here in left bottom corner right click on start icon. Here you will find settings, just click into settings guys and this window will pop up, and here scroll a little bit down and you will see update and security. Just click into update and security, and here on the left hand side you will see Windows security. Just click into Windows security here, and here you will see protection areas. First, virus and threat protection. Just click into this virus and threat protection, and this tab will open up virus and threat protection, where you are able to do a scan. And as you see, there is the quick scan, but I would recommend anyone who want to do like a full scan, just click here on scan options, as you can see this tab, and you will see here full scan guys. Just click there and click scan now. I will not be scanning because I already have scanned this computer. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.